In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up an Ionos VPS from your dashboard so you can get your virtual server up and running quickly and confidently. Let's start right at the beginning with getting into your Ionos account. First, open your web browser and go to the Ionos website. Log in using your account credentials, and once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Ionos dashboard. This dashboard is your central control area where you can manage domains, email, hosting, and of course your servers. From here, we want to move into the section dedicated to servers and cloud resources. Look towards the top of the page for the main navigation. You should see an option labeled menu. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down or sidebar will appear showing the different product areas you can manage. In that list, find and select server and cloud. Clicking this will open the Ionos Cloud panel in a new view or tab. The Cloud panel is where you handle everything related to your virtual private servers, including creating new ones, managing existing ones, restarting them, and configuring settings like firewalls and backups. Think of it as the control room for your VPS infrastructure. Once the Cloud panel loads, take a moment to let all the sections finish loading on the screen. This helps prevent any misclicks while the interface is still updating. At the top of the Cloud panel, you'll see an option labeled Create. This is the starting point for adding new resources. Click on Create. A small menu will appear with different types of resources you can set up. Here you're looking for the option labeled VPS. Go ahead and select VPS to start the process of configuring a new virtual private server. If you already have a VPS contract set up and don't want to create a new one, you can instead look through your list of existing contracts in the panel and select the one you want to work with. That's useful if you're returning to manage or adjust a server that's already been created. When you choose to create a VPS, Ionos will guide you through options like choosing the server location, selecting an operating system such as a Linux distribution or Windows, and picking a performance level based on CPU, memory, and storage. Even though we're not going into each of those settings here, it's good to know that this is where those choices happen. Take your time reviewing the available configurations to match your needs. For example, if you're just testing a small application, a lower tier is usually enough. For production workloads, you might want more CPU and RAM for stability and performance. After you select or confirm your VPS, the server creation process will begin. You'll typically see a status indicator in the Cloud panel showing that the VPS is being prepared. This can take a few minutes. During this time, avoid closing the panel or your browser tab so you can see when the server is ready. Once the status changes to active or running, your VPS is set up and ready for you to connect to it using SSH or remote desktop, depending on the operating system you chose. And that's all you need to get from the Ionos dashboard into the Cloud panel and either create a new VPS or access an existing one. From here, you can move on to installing software, configuring security, and deploying your projects on your new server.